Venezianico Redentore Riserva di Carica is my new watch. I'm very happy about it. And this is the unboxing of the new watch that I just received 2 days ago. And here we go. My first impression has been really positive. Great improvement in terms of design, detailing, finish, the alternance between the chrome and the brushed aluminum finish that this time is horizontal, and also those little tiny radiuses that this time are really well cared. You have a 5 colors choice, so you can see for every taste. To me, this is a modern, classy design that it's really well balanced between all the elements. I'm talking about the three-dimensional aspect, but also the chromatic aspect. And what is really interesting are those sections they chosen to make the case. As you can see, there is a part that is a little bit rigid, that it's in contrast with parts that are really spherical and really elegant. Excellent strap, made in Italy, pure leather, and a very nice buckle with the logo. Beautiful. So we have a chrome finish and a brushed aluminum finish that this time has been done horizontally with those new polished radiuses, which really makes of this watch a very high quality one. In conclusion, we can say that this is a really good watch made by Venezianico. Excellent one. I invite you to go and check the Venezianico website so that you can discover a lot more, and I hope you like this video. Thank you very much. Come back on the next one to come. Bye bye.